Good morning. It's Wednesday. Oh boy, I gotta merge real quick. Hey, what up, you guys? Yes. So the week is officially started. Earlier this week, Sunday and Monday, it was wild.
If the ladies show up, then we show out.
Julia. It was too much for me to manage, but we had a really amazing time at the Young Entrepreneurs Fair. It was absolutely perfect. Thank you so much to Gacti for letting us stay there. We had a wonderful time. Business-wise, we were able to start our email list this week, and we were able to give out almost 100 business cards, which was kind of amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, getting to explain to people why I love doing what I do, that is worth everything in the world. But the week comes nonetheless. So, it's Wednesday, it's water day for the kids, it's a day of fun, it's gonna be calm. Also this week, I may or may not have turned into my final form and made a house for my cat. It's my mood about moving out. That better be your face when we're done with this. This is what she really needs. This is what I need to get her. So I'm here with my dollar store haul and a couple of extra accoutrements, and we're gonna drag it in and we're gonna paint it first. So for the top of the table, we're going to do this lovely, light, like periwinkle. That's pretty. This lovely, like periwinkle lilac-y color. And we're just gonna spread that all over. I want brush strokes deep enough to fill with water and feed small countries. Do you like it, my love? Do you like your new home? I didn't know my kitchen table was a Navy man. Oh, he's a Navy man, he's a Navy man. Oh, leave me soon back to the deep blue sea. Cracks, little mama. In Friends, just like Monica's apartment in Friends. So that's where the color inspiration comes from a lot. We've got like this color, navy blues, we've got purples and some yellows. But this is like,
Izzy, you do not make it easier.
she likes it, she's breathing.
Why?
Anita, I'm getting there.
Because you know.
Kinda turned down, not like super turned down, just a little turned down.
Turn down for what?
All around me are familiar faces, worn out faces, worn out places. done did it. We done did it. So what we're gonna do is paint the inside. It's all dark and dingy, and it's gonna make them feel cramped. And the key to working with a small space, you know, your small apartment, your college dorm, is bright colors that are gonna lighten things up. When you don't have windows, you have to fake windows. Stop making those faces at me! It's for comedic effect! Ow! Time for a haul! Okay, so, first things first, we went to the dollar store, we had a good time, you saw. We got this beautiful sheer ribbon. I really hope it focuses on that. In this nice, like, orangey pale color, which I think is gonna really liven up the place. Some beautiful pearl-esque multicolor good times. And these are going to hang on each of the corners on the inside, so they're gonna drape sort of like that, which is gonna be super cute. It's really gonna elevate us to the next level of absolute bougie ass bitch chic. Their bed. So this is gonna be the floor. It's 3 years old, and I really think the color palette is going to highlight exactly the kind of tones that we want them to be feeling when they're in their house. You know, like, we want them to feel homey and, like, you know, the blues of the sky, because she came from the outside, and the gray, like the vomit that I'm consistently cleaning up off of my floor. It's gonna be great. Alex, I'm using your paint.
Why are you getting Alicia?
Because we're going to Julia's.
Ooh.
Because our fair is small.
Powder. I really like flying helicopters. Nelson Johnson something every now.
She likes it. Alex! She knows where her new home is. You've been evicted!
That's rude.
Yeah. So first things first, we want to put the flooring in. We need to make sure that everything's the correct sizes. Perfect. Next, we're gonna let it dry for a little while so that we can really get to work on the inside and making it feel a lot homier. Are you ready, honey? It's your palace. It's your kingdom. Oh, it's your kingdom. There's mommy. Go in, honey. You're gonna like it. What do you think, baby? Isabel, I made you a house. Get in it. Isabel, house tour. So first we have our beautiful, beautiful peach colored walls. We have mommy 3 years ago when I was pretty. We have the inside, stunning. A comfortable microfiber $1,000 cat bed. Beautiful. We have these gorgeous decorations from the dollar store. Oh, she just needed the validation. Did you see me slick push her?
Yes.
Just a little. She needs a little push from mommy. Get in your bed. Get no. Come back. Stop. Ooh. So that's something I did. It's midway through the week. We're gonna have a good week. It's gonna be a good time. We're almost there. T-minus 2 weeks till move out.